Okay, let's start with the basics. You are trying to do your research, you're getting information. I've pulled up an ebook. That's a book that is published as a regular print book that is also available online. For our purposes today, just because I can't really share a regular book with you right now, we're gonna act like this is a regular book. So I'm reading this and reading about what makes muscles move. And you want to put in here, it's when you're reading this and you want to read, oh, it's the actin and the myosin proteins sliding past each other that makes muscles move. How do you write this? Okay, so here's the thing. Do I need to cite this information? That's the first thing I do. Like, I don't know this off the top of my head. This is not common knowledge. So I'm going to need to give this author credit. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this and I'm going to rewrite it. And I'm going to say it this way. Okay? I'm going to go over here into my Google Doc. Muscles move when, and I'm going to go back over to this page, actin and myosin proteins, and that's a name of something, so you don't need to put quotes around it because you really can't call it anything else. I can't paraphrase that. When actin and, oh, see, this is Miss Pinion's old brain, myosin when actin and myosin proteins. Okay, so you could, it says slide, so I'm going to write that down for just a second. Past each other inside, whoops, wrong thing, sarcomeres, okay, inside. Okay, I feel pretty good about this, that I have created, I have paraphrased it. Oh, it's sarco. My bad. See, there, look, there's the correction. And you see, I knew I was wrong because I had the red thing. I'm going to find a different word for slide, okay? Because that was a word there, and that's kind of their words. I want to try to find a different word. And I'm going to think about I'm going to go over to another thing, and I'm going to look up synonyms. That's a word that means the same thing. I can't even remember. Synonyms for slide. Oh, look. Skate, coast, glide. I like glide. I'm going to use that. And I'm going to change slide to glide. Okay? Did you see how I did that? I took a thing, I restated it, I paraphrased it, I gave the information. But here's the thing. I only know this because I got it from that source. So I'm going to have to give it credit. All right, so here's the tricky part. So that's what I'm going to have to do. In the next slide, I'm going to show you how to do this.